What if I told you that $27 digital products can make you $800,000? In this video, I'll show you my exact store, reveal the marketing strategies that made it possible, and I'll even help you clone this exact system in just 1 hour. Let's get started. Here goes my store. What you're looking at right here is PLR Hustle. This is the store that I'm talking about. You may be familiar with it. What's so crazy about this is PLR Hustle was not even, it started out on Wix, then I moved it, and then I brought it back to Wix. So there's a lot of money that I can't show you that PLR Hustle has made, but I'll just show you what you see in the title of this video, which is more than $800,000 made from these digital products right here. So if we scroll down, you will see all types of digital products that I sold to make this money and that I've been selling. Everything from solo ebooks to bundles of ebooks for $27. Let's scroll down. Here go 800 colorful Instagram templates. Scroll down. Here go prayer journals, 211 pages of journals. Here goes a hair ebook. Here go an Airbnb ebook. Here go 300 black girl ball stock photos. Here go 20 MRR edible ebooks, vending machine ebooks, all types of digital products. Here go stickers right here, 2 sets of stickers. All types of digital products made me to $800,000. Actually, way more than that, way more than double of that. But of course, in Wix right here in this Wix account, I'm going to show you, of course, the $800,000. But these products right here that you're looking at made me all of this money. And on average, the order value was like $28. So if you are somebody that sell digital products, understand that you don't have to sell high ticket digital products to make this kind of money. So this is the store right here. I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna continue showing you everything that's offered. Here go a $399 bundle right here. Here go a $199 personal finance bundle. So there's all types of digital products right here. And this is the store that I use to make the money. So let's go over here and let me show you, because the proof is definitely in the pudding. If we scroll up, remember, this is, once again, I've used multiple accounts with PLR Hustle, but with this one account, as you can see at the top, total revenue, $897,942.97. Just in this one Wix account right here. Now, of course, I got to blur out personal information, but if we scroll down right here, you'll see nothing but payments. Nothing but payments is all day, every day. And I'm going to tell you exactly how this is done so you can do it as well. I'm going to tell you the exact traffic strategies so you can copy this. I want you to copy this blueprint because the cat is definitely out of the bag and there's no secrets to be kept on my channel. So I just want to show you all of these payments right here, non-stop, all day, every day, that you too can make as well. Once again, this is 800 plus digital products that made all of this money. As you can see, even if I click on this order right here, of course, I got to blur out the personal details. People order multiple products. See, here go 5 items that this customer ordered right here that totaled $279. So even if you decide to clone this exact business, understand that one order can make you multiple hundreds of dollars. So it doesn't mean that somebody gonna come and buy a $2 ebook and leave. They could spend $279 with you, or even way more than that, as you can see. Now, since you see the products that's made all the money, let me reveal the exact marketing strategies that I used so you can do the same. Marketing strategy number 1, Instagram theme pages. Theme pages are extremely powerful. Let me tell you something. Once you get your hand on the right theme pages and you link it to a store like PLR Hustle, the sky's truly the limit, because sales will roll in non-stop like clockwork. The reason why this is so powerful is you can reach out to a theme page that has hundreds of thousands or even millions of followers, just like these theme pages right here are on the screen. Whenever they post for you, you give them a graphic, they're going to tag your page, even if you have 0 followers. If a page with 500,000 followers post and tag you, understand the power of that. Not only will you gain followers, but you will also gain sales. So this is what I utilized for the first 2 years, nonstop, of pushing traffic to PLR Hustle. And it's a simple process, as you may already know. All the theme page does is make the post that I give them. tag my Instagram account at PLR Hustle. I get new followers. People click on the link in the bio. People make a purchase. I make money. So let's say if I pay a theme page $50, and most of the time that's how much you're going to pay minimum. I can end up making $500, $600 off of that one theme page promotion. There are times where you're going to pay a account $100 and you make back $100, but so what? You just gained hundreds of new followers as well. Theme page marketing is extremely powerful, and this was one of my top strategies starting out. And the reason why this works so well with something like PLR Hustle is because there are no shortage of Instagram theme pages focused on making money online and entrepreneurship. You can literally find hundreds of them right now on Instagram that are begging to post for you. So again, if you pay them $50 and they post and you make $300, $400, $500, how many times would you pay them $50? This is the first strategy that I utilize, theme pages. The next strategy, Google paid search. Whenever people are searching for a keyword, let's say PLR ebooks, PLR digital products, private label digital products, PLR templates, PLR wall art, you can bid on these keywords. Thousands of people every single month are searching for these keywords. What you do is you want to set a $10 per day ad budget with Google Ads. So if you set a $10 per day budget and somebody come and buy a $399 ebook bundle, how many times would you spend $10 a day? How many days would you spend $10? Would you bump it up to $20, $30? That's exactly what I've done. And every time I do Google Ads, I usually get a 4 to 5x return on my investment. That's right. So if I spend $100 a week, I make $400 to $500 a week back. If I spend $1,000 a week, $4,000 to $5,000 back, and so on. This is the power of Google Ads because it's intentional marketing. So people are intentionally typing in on Google PLR ebooks for resale. When they find PLR Hustle, guess what happens? They check out the ebooks they want to resell. They check out the wall art they want to resell, or whatever product it may be. They purchase it. I make money. Google Ads are extremely powerful when it comes to this type of store because the sky's truly the limit, and there are hundreds of keywords that you can choose from to go after in order to receive traffic and nonstop sales to your store. Last but not least, Pinterest. This right here is the strategy that will make you money while you sleep no matter what. And the reason is because Pinterest is a very sticky and viral platform. So what I did is I went to Fiverr and I hired somebody on Fiverr to create one Pinterest pin per digital product that's listed on PLR Hustle. So imagine me having 700 to 800 Pinterest pins linking to every one of my digital products. It's like a spider web effect. How powerful do you think that was? Well, it was powerful enough to make a six-figure income alone with just that one strategy. So if you have 750 to 800 pins linking to a digital product, every single one of them pins linking to a different digital product, it's nearly impossible to fail. It's nearly impossible to not get organic traffic. It's nearly impossible for many people per day to not visit your store. This is the power of Pinterest because once those people visit your store, let's say if you have 100 visitors and 20 of those people repin, well, that's even more visitors you're going to have because their Pinterest followers are going to check out their Pinterest board and they're going to check out what they repin. And what if those people repin, and so on and so on and so on. Pinterest is one of the holy grails of traffic online because it's extremely sticky and powerful. Your PLR product, you could literally have a $399 bundle pinned to 1,000 Pinterest boards over time because all of these people loved what they saw on your Pinterest board and they repinned it to their Pinterest board. That is the power of Pinterest. This is the third place that I focus on, and these three things together made me way more than $800,000. So at the end of the day, what I wanted to do is I wanted to tell you these exact strategies, this whole blueprint, so you can do the same. If you want to copy this right here, if you can copy this very strategy by clicking the link in the description of this video. Whenever you do that, you'll have the opportunity to get an exact clone of PLR Hustle. Every one of the products that you see on PLR Hustle, you will have a store just like it. You can use your name, your domain name. It will be your store. You'll pay a one-time fee, and that's it. Click on a link in the description of this video if you want a store just like PLR Hustle. I just revealed to you the exact marketing strategies that I used to make the sales. This is a channel where I want to focus on not only telling you the truth, but helping you reach your goals when it comes to making money online. When it comes to making passive income, I don't care if it's a side income or a full income. My goal is to be honest with you when other people are not, and that's exactly what I wanted to do in this video. So you see my store, you know the strategies, you've seen the proof. Now it's time for you to go and do the same. Of course, go ahead and click the link below, or you can just continue watching for entertainment, pure entertainment. It's up to you. But if you are somebody that's ready to take action, if you want to transition your income from what you're making at your 9 to 5 to, let's say, an extra $100 a week, $200 a week, click on the link in the description of this video. Get you a PLR store, and the sky can truly be the limit for you as well. I will be putting out so many more videos and going deeper and showing you, deeper strategies when it comes to Google Ads, Pinterest, and all of that. I will be putting out a lot more video content about this and about the PLR Hustle store and all of that. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Comment below and let me know what you thought. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you soon in my next video.